Ever studied for 3 hours, but remembered nothing? Be honest. How many times do you open your books, sit for hours, and then realize you've only been daydreaming or scrolling your phone? It happens to all of us. The problem is not you. The problem is the way we study. And the solution is simple. The Pomodoro Technique. When I first heard the word Pomodoro, I thought, what is this? Some new pasta recipe? But no, it's actually a study method created by Francesco Cirillo, and Pomodoro means tomato in Italian. He used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer. But don't worry, you don't need a tomato in your study table, just your phone timer is enough. Here's how you do it. Step 1. Pick one task. For example, I will revise my English essay. Step 2. Set your timer for 25 minutes. In these 25 minutes, give your full focus. No WhatsApp, no scrolling, just pure study. Step 3. When the timer rings, stop immediately. Now take a 5-minute break. Stretch, drink water, check your phone for a moment if you like. Step 4. Do this 4 times. After that, reward yourself with a long break. Maybe 15 to 30 minutes. Feels simple, right? But it's powerful. Let me tell you why it works. Our brain is like a battery. If you use it non-stop, it drains fast. But when you give it short rests, it recharges. Also, 25 minutes doesn't feel scary. Anyone can focus for just 25 minutes. And slowly, you end up studying for hours without even realizing it. I still remember my first time using Pomodoro. I thought, only 25 minutes? That's too short. But after doing 4 rounds, I realized I had studied 2 hours, without stress, without boredom. That's the magic of it. Don't fight with your brain. Train it. So next time you sit to study, don't say, I will study for 5 hours. That sounds heavy. Just say, I will do 2 Pomodoros. Start small, and you'll see big results. Remember, studying is not about how long you sit. It's about how smart you use your time. Try the Pomodoro technique today, and make your study hours finally count.